turn any normal iPhone video into slow motion in just a few minutes. The iPhone doesn't give you a direct convert to slow motion button inside the Photos app for normal videos. First, open the iMovies app on your device. You'll see an option, Choose Movie. Tap on it. Now you'll see your video library. Select the video you want to convert to slow motion. After selecting your video, tap Create Movie. Now your video appears in the timeline. Tap on the video clip in the timeline. You'll see several editing tools appear at the bottom. Look for the speedometer icon. Tap on it. You'll now see a slider. Drag the slider to the left to slow the video down. You can reduce it to half speed, quarter speed, or even slower. As you move the slider, you'll see the changes instantly. Once you're happy with the speed, tap Done in the top corner. Then tap the Share button. Choose Save Video. iMovie will now export the edited version and save it directly to your camera roll. To verify, open the exported video on the Photos app. And that's it.